So we have our black pepper, we have our ground cheese, and now the water is boiling, so we are ready to start cooking the pasta in the pot. And while that cooks, we're going to toast the pepper on the pan for 30 seconds at most, until you smell it. Don't go past that point. Once we smell it, we dump 1 liter of hot pasta water to create a base, so to speak, for our cacio e pepe. In the meantime, always while the pasta is doing its course in the pot, we are going to use another ladle of hot pasta water to create the base of our emulsion, which is a creamy ricotta-like pecorino paste. So essentially we are tempering the cheese slowly and gently, melting it without passing the 55-60 Celsius, which is a coagulation point for pecorino, semi-aged pecorino. So you don't want to pass there, otherwise you're gonna have clumps and strings on your plate rather than this velvety cream that we're aiming to create.
Flavia has already revealed to us many of the most common errors. Now it's time to put her secrets into practice. We start with freshly ground black pepper, toasted for just a few seconds, then boiling pasta water, rich in starch. Some goes into the pan with the pepper, and a little into the finely grated pecorino to make a paste. Pour slowly. Mix quickly. We set that cheese mixture aside for later. Now, the half-cooked pasta goes into the pan with the pepper and water. Give it a stir, and add more water little by little, just like a risotto. When the pasta is al dente, turn off the heat. Flavia waits 30 seconds. Why? To lower the temperature, just enough to keep the cheese from curdling. Follow Flavia's 30-second rule, and you don't need a thermometer. Here we go. In goes the pecorino paste. Mix quickly, but not too much, just enough to coat every strand of pasta in that perfect cream. This is a dish that doesn't like to wait, so plate it up and serve it right away. And if Flavia just saved you from a pasta disaster, let her know. Subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments, did you master the pasta or did the pecorino block you up? And while you're at it, we dare you to write, Flavia served it cold. And remember, the world needs fewer lumps and more cream. Send this video to a friend who still thinks it's enough to just toss pecorino into pasta.